Alright guys, it's experiment time. Experiment doesn't mean what it used to. When I was younger, I used to have to go out and bang an ugly chick. Just to let the other guys know if she was any good or not. And now, I'm making food. What the hell's happened to my life? Oh, man. Okay, Payne. Get it together. These guys are gonna think you're batshit crazy. Oh, this damn thing's still recording. Okay, I've composed myself. What I got here, it's like a pork steak. Got some Zatarain's chicken fry mix and some mustard. I've seen on the YouTube, and I've done it myself, coating chicken with mustard, and it works. Okay, so I'm going to go out on a limb and experiment. I'm going to try it on the pork steak. Put that on there, and then put some fry mix on there. I mean, I don't have any Kentucky Colonel left, so I'm going to use the Zatarain's. It's chicken fry mix, of course, but who the hell gives a crap? It's going to go on there. So let me lube this thing up with the mustard, and I'm going to put some of that fry mix in a plastic baggie, mix it all up, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all said and done here. Alright, there's it covered with the damn mustard. Okay, I got her pretty much covered. One thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some rosemary. I don't know what it is. I like the taste of rosemary on pork. So I'm going to put a little bit of that on there, and then we're going to take it over the air fryer. Fry the shit out of this thing, see what happens. Alright, I got her in the air fryer basket. Going to put her in the air fryer and cook it. I don't know what I'm going to do here, but I'm going to do it at 400. Try the first side for about 7 minutes. See how it looks, and then might flip her over and do it again till it comes to temp. Alright, this thing's been in there for about 4 or 5 minutes, and let me tell you, it's smelling pretty freaking good. It's smelling really good right now. So this might be a plus. Go in the win column for once, baby. Okay, fellas, well there it is. If you look close, you can tell there's a little bit of orange there. It's pretty crispy all the way around, except in the middle it's a little soggy. But I didn't want to overcook it. But it's got a good crisp around the edges. And it smells really good. And I think adding that rosemary right there. Rose, baby! That was a plus. So I'm going to tear into this thing and I'll let you know how it tastes. Alright, look at there. It's done. It's crispy. Yeah. I'm going to have a piece of this. Yeah, boy. Okay, here we go. Let me tell you something. It's a little more spicier than what I thought it would be, but it's good. You know, it almost takes away the pain of all those ugly chicks I had to bang in my younger days. Almost making me forget about all that, but I'd have to have about a case of beer to do that too. But good stuff. It's a win. I like it. I like it. Thanks for watching.